guys, welcome back to the Chinese 𝐋𝐤𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿. Have you noticed that China reopens the border now? You can come to Hong Kong or Guangzhou to eat Cantonese dishes, experience its culture here, and the most important thing is to practice your Cantonese or visit me. Today we are going to learn those traveling phrases you must know before you're traveling. I have prepared the PDF note for you. Please check the description box, download it, and review it on the plan. The first one, we are going to learn some common and important phrases. Excuse me, 唔該, may I ask, 請問, Excuse me, may I ask where's the toilet? 唔該，請問廁所喺邊度啊？唔該，請問廁所喺邊度啊？ If I step on your foot, I will say, sorry, 唔好意思, or 對唔住, which is more serious. Then how could we tell people our Chinese is not good? Could you speak slowly? 我啲中文唔好，你可唔可以講慢啲啊？我啲中文唔好，你可唔可以講慢啲啊？中文 Chinese, or you could say 廣東話 Cantonese. 唔好 not good. 可唔可以 could you 講 speak 慢啲 slower. 我啲中文唔好，你可唔可以講慢啲啊？ My Chinese is not good. Could you speak slowly? If you are in urgent and you would like to speak in English, then you have to remember this sentence. 唔好意思啊，我聽唔明中文，你可唔可以講英文啊？唔好意思啊，我聽唔明中文，你可唔可以講英文啊？聽唔明 I can't understand. 講英文 speak English. 唔好意思啊，我聽唔明中文，你可唔可以講英文啊？ Excuse me, I don't understand Chinese. Could you speak in English? Nowadays, the most important thing is to check where's the Wi-Fi or is there the Wi-Fi. Not many shops have Wi-Fi, so you can ask, 唔該，呢度有冇 Wi-Fi 啊？唔該，呢度有冇 Wi-Fi 啊？呢度 here 有冇 have or not？ 唔該，呢度有冇 Wi-Fi 啊？ Excuse me, is there Wi-Fi here? Or we can ask, oh, what's the Wi-Fi password? So password 密碼 Wi-Fi 密碼係咩啊？ What is the Wi-Fi password? Eating out is the most important part of traveling. Here are some phrases about it. Nowadays, thanks to the social media, people would like to choose the recommended restaurant where there is always a queue there. If there are few people sitting in front of a restaurant, you can ask the restaurant host, 唔該，使唔使排隊啊？ Or 使唔使等位啊？使唔使 need or not need 排隊 line up or 等位 wait for a table. Normally you can take a number from them and then they will let you know how many table in front of you. So it will write 前面仲有一圍台，前面仲有一圍台。There is one table ahead of you. So when it comes to you and the host will ask you, how many people do you have, miss? So they will say, 小姐幾位啊？小姐幾位啊？ Or 先生幾位啊？ 位 is the measure word for people in a polite way. You can respond, 兩位, table for two. Then the waiter or waitress will help you place an order. So they will ask, 靚女食啲咩啊？ Miss, what do you eat? It's your first time to eat here. Ask if there are recommendations. 有咩介紹啊？有咩介紹啊？介紹 recommendation. And then after milk, you could say 唔該埋單，唔該埋單。Can I have the bill, please? I can totally understand how nervous you are to speak Cantonese with the local. You would like to find a comfort zone to speaking in English, but you have already been here. Language immersion is the best learning material, better than watching my videos hundreds of times, and even having online lesson with me. So let me introduce your Kids School. Your gateway to an immersive language experiences. Kids offers some amazing programs, combining immersive Mandarin courses with cultivated tours in China. Kids offer intensive one-on-one class or group lessons, or taught by professional teachers. You will also have access to a dedicated live advisor for school orientations, and a study advisor to guide you through your Chinese journey at 𝐾𝐸𝐴. After your Chinese classes each day, you can freely roam the city, practice the phrases you have learned, and immerse yourself in the local culture. Or you can participate in 𝐾𝐸𝐴's events to learn Chinese culture like making dumplings, Chinese calligraphy, Chinese paper cutting, etc. every Thursday night. 𝐾𝐸𝐴's campuses are located in lots of tourist cities in Yunnan, like Kunming, Lijiang, Dali, even 𝐶𝐶双板那, which has a similar culture or the tropical weather like Thailand. Think about it, one trip for 2 countries sounds worth it, right? No matter which campus you choose, you're free to travel and explore other cities during the weekends. I have explored 4 cities of Yunnan in a week in 2018. I can still record the breathtaking scenery, delightful weather, and the unforgettable taste of the flour cake. Wow, I miss Yunnan a lot. I know the biggest problem of traveling in China is the visa. No worries, 𝐾𝐸𝐴 will help you to get a student visa, which gives you enough time to explore China. When I arrive in a new country, I feel overwhelming, thinking about how I go to the downtown, from the airport, and where I can get the SIM card. However, 𝐾𝐸𝐴 will take care of you from the moment they pick you up at the airport. They provide daily meals and accommodation for free, ensure you have comfort and peace of mind. And all of this just starts at just $661. Imagine a study trip that including live-in accommodations and an incredible opportunity for immersive Chinese learning. It starts every Monday. Don't hesitate to click the link below to get $45 for discount. Seize this chance to come to China and learn Chinese. 𝐾𝐸𝐴 will handle everything for you. And if you can't learn Chinese in person at this moment, you can still check out 𝐾𝐸𝐴's online course and learn Chinese anytime, anywhere. Are you excited about this trip? Let's continue. Let's talk about my favorite topic, shopping. Every time we go work in the store, the shopkeeper will ask you something like, "May I help you?" So actually in China, they will say, 睇下有咩啱嘅?睇下有咩啱嘅?睇下 have a look. 有 have 咩 what 啱 suitable. So 睇下有咩啱嘅, it literally means look around and see if you have something suitable for you. Or they will ask, are you looking for something special in this way? 靚女想買啲咩啊?靚女想買啲咩啊? What do you want to buy, miss? So how could we respond? So you could say, just looking, thanks. 唔該，我睇下先。唔該，我睇下先。睇下 have a look, see first. 唔該，我睇下先 just have a look, thanks. Or you are looking for something special. For example, I always looking for thick clothes because I always wear high heel and my high heel makes me painful. So I would say, 我想揾下有冇拖鞋買。我想揾下有冇拖鞋買。So 揾下 look for a little bit. 有冇 have a not. 拖鞋 slippers. 買 to buy. I'm just looking for the slippers. The clothes here are super cheap. Lots of tourists love to buy some clothes here. But not every shop allows you to try them on, so you'd better ask first. So you could say, 唔該，我可唔可以試下呢件衫啊？唔該，我可唔可以試下呢件衫啊？試下 try for a little bit. 呢件衫 this clothes. 唔該，我可唔可以試下呢件衫啊？Excuse me, could I try on these clothes? Or you could ask where is the dressing room. 試衣間喺邊啊？試衣間喺邊啊？試衣間 dressing room. When it comes to check out, we normally pay by WeChat or Alipay. But since you are a foreigner, if you don't want to pay by cash, then you can ask 可唔可以碌卡啊？可唔可以碌卡啊？碌 that is how we use the cards. 卡 card. Let's talk about hotel. Nowadays, we would like to book online first. So you will ask, 唔該，我喺 booking book 咗房㗎。唔該，我喺去哪兒 book 咗房㗎。Excuse me, I have already reserved my room at chila.com. Or if you would like to book a room there, so you could just say 我想 book 間大床房，我想 book 間大床房，大床 like king bed size， 房 room， 我想 book 間大床房，間 measure word for room. And if you would like to ask the hotel some travel tips, then you could ask 附近有咩玩㗎？附近有咩玩㗎？附近 nearby 有 have 咩 what 玩 to play. 附近有咩玩㗎 is there some interesting place to go? Or we could say 附近有咩食㗎？附近有咩食㗎？ Are there some good restaurant nearby? About direction, when we get lost, we can ask the passerby, for example, 唔好意思，請問中山公園喺邊度？請問中山公園喺邊度？中山公園中山 Park 喺邊度 Where? If you don't want to rely on strangers, you can simply take a cab. It's really convenient for us to order a cab using apps like Didi or A Map. However, the taxi driver may sometimes get confused with your location. If you only want to follow the map, you could simply just say 跟住導航走，跟住導航走，跟住 follow 導航 navigation 走 to go. Just follow the navigation. But if you travel in Guangzhou, the taxi driver may be a Mandarin speaker. So how can we ask for direction in Mandarin? That's why it's helpful to know some basic Mandarin. Kids can be your best choice for learning Mandarin and touring China at the same time. If you are interested, don't forget to click my link below to get $45 as discount. That's what we learned today. I hope that you can have a safe and enjoyable trip in China, and I'm in Foshan or in Guangzhou waiting for you visit. See you there. Bye bye.